What we're seeing, especially in middle school, is that we have to ask ourselves the question, are we a middle school or are we a junior high? So if you look at the whole research behind middle school really attacks the affective skills, the social, the emotional, the interactions, sense of belonging, connection, affiliation, involvement, engagement. That's middle school. Junior high is getting the work done, and independently, it's just kind of a smaller version of high school, going from class to class, bell to bell, subject to subject. So the only way we're going to turn this corner is to think about the way we do school right from the get-go. That's shifting the culture. That's, are we doing morning meetings, not morning meetings like we do in elementary school, but when kids come into our class, when they cycle in and the bell rings or whatever, are we saying, okay, guys, huddle up. How's everybody doing today? What's a couple of things anybody thought about, what we talked about yesterday? By the way, how's your dog? How'd that visit go? Or, hey, we got that football game later. So let's talk for 5 minutes about you guys getting ready for that football game. Then we're going to get on to class. Those are the things we have to incorporate into a middle school classroom, because one of the most important things in their lives are their interactions with their peers. And we often don't allow enough of that to happen. And so school becomes kind of a drudgery, get through the curriculum. So now we're teaching curriculum instead of teaching kids. Walk out into your hallways. It's going to sound a little fluffy and weird, but walk out into your hallways and ask yourself this. When you walk into the building, in whatever wing you teach, when you walk in there, is it an environment that kind of inspires you to want to do something? Or is the environment such that you walk in and go,